Hello guys, hello everyone. Hello, thank you for joining to our live stream. Every Sunday 11 a.m. UTC -8 Los Angeles time zone, I'm trying to tell you what I'm thinking about the market, what our algorithm showing to us. We're discussing Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, some other assets. If I'm in a good mood and you pressing the like button, I'm going through commodities, I'm going through the indexes, and I'm going through the stocks. I'm doing this more than a year and a half every week. There was few weeks when I was sick, when I was abroad, when I was out from the internet, basically a little bit more than 13 months ago. Here in this office was the huge water flood damage on everything, so I cannot do the live stream for you. But I'm trying to be here, I'm trying to show you something. And as always, you can find all additional links in the description. We'll really appreciate your support. We'll really appreciate your cheapest payment in the meaning of just like, comment, subscribe. For the last 2 weeks, almost 3 weeks, every day we're doing for you a lot of additional videos. We're discussing the news and I'm showing to you the vision, the forecast, everything. I know about mistakes. I know about the actions that shouldn't be done, because so many times I was pretty sure that we're gonna be where we are right now. And I've been telling to you this years after years, months after months, weeks after weeks. Before I'm gonna dive deep to the chart and we're gonna discuss where the price not gonna be in the next couple of days or weeks, before we're gonna dive deep to the forecast, before we're gonna try to understand what's gonna happen next and what position I'm gonna try to catch, I want to show you a little bit of recap. So first thing first, that's how you see me right now, yeah? That's our channel. If you're gonna go and watch this video, this is the video. Only 2.4 thousand people watch this video. We've been telling to you that it's not the end, it's still 5th of February. I know that I opened stupid long position. I broke the risk management, period. Enough about this. But since 18, since I'm showing to the people, divergences, huge movement down, etc., 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 I'm making money. I'm making money and I'm showing to you. 100,000, 200,000, 500,000. Yes, I catch one liquidation. Yes. But come on, guys. I'm fighting. I didn't catch liquidation in October. I didn't catch liquidation with the Zcash. So I'm not gonna be liquidated totally with this position as well. If you're gonna watch this, you will figure out like what we're trying to say to you. But if you're gonna go back, for example, I'm watching the Epstein files also. Take a look at this. 11 months ago, I'm showing to you that the Bitcoin will be here. Bitcoin will be here. February, you can go and watch all the videos through the January, February, March. It will be really, really good for you to make the recap about how I was telling to you at exactly the same apartment, exactly the same table, exactly with the same laptop, with different haircut, probably different clothing, but still, I've been telling to you things that I'm gonna show you once again right now. Then, the same, 11 months ago, I'm showing to you, guys, April, risk, the end of BTC. Yeah? I'm showing to you that one buy week before the May, one buy line before the 15th of March. So the end of 2025, the 2026 could be here. Then I'm giving you more. I'm showing you everything. There is hundreds of videos on this channel. And everyone showing to you exactly the same thing that algorithm shows to us. I'm trying to analyze the price. I'm trying to analyze the dates. Until May, we're gonna be here. We are here. You see this yellow line? I will show you right now. One day buy before March, we are here. April, May, June, August, the end of BTC, October, November 2025. So please be prepared for these things. There is a lot of videos. So what I'm trying to show you right now, what I showed to you, the same thing. Since December, I was expecting price here. Yeah, I know that I've been expecting price lower. Reach this zone. You remember this? Highly risk, April, May, end of BTC. End of BTC, October, November. End of BTC, October, November. Realistic high, June, August. Realistic high, June, August. I'm not trying to make up anything. This is the fucking live stream. If I'm drinking from the straw, it doesn't mean that I'm gay. If I'm drinking matcha, neither. My girlfriend just ordered it me. Who am I not to drink it? So I'm showing to you every day. Just go back to the December. You will see how we're telling to the people that I'm selling in the middle of December. Go back to this. Probably it was in July. You will see how I'm showing you this line. Go back to the October and you will see how I'm drawing this line. I'm tired of explanation. I'm tired of improvement. I'm tired of everything. Today, early in the morning, I woke up. I opened the private group statistic and I start to clear the group. I delete something like 20 people. If I made mistake, please tell me this, because there is someone that probably should be returned to the group. But what I did, the first thing, for the last year, we've been absolutely insanely right in many months, in many dates, and in many prices. For the last 3 weeks, I made one mistake about the long and hundreds of the positions in the short. I've been showing, I've been explaining, I've been holding people, I've been supporting people, I've been telling people where the price will stop, how I'm dealing with this, what I'm gonna do, what I'm doing, etc., what I'm buying. Day after day, especially in the private group, day after day. So I go through every person who left the group since 15th of January, and I increase their price if they ever want to get back to the group 3 times. I will do this one more time, and I will do this later today. I need to start this live stream to tell you something about the price. So I did that. There is still probably maybe like 20-50 people left. I will increase their price 3 times. In my opinion, the biggest problem of the whole universe, that everyone expecting that everyone will be right all the time. You subscribe on someone, he's making one mistake, or he's right for 10 times, he's making one mistake, you unsubscribe from him, you go into the other channel. I'm not the regular influencer. I'm not the regular person. I have my own brain, soul, mental health traumas, and I'm dealing with them like that. I'm not forgiving people who trying to put me in the state of, oh, that's your fault. No, I'm honestly showing you my way, my path, my forecast, and my vision. And especially I'm showing to you my trades. If I'm in losses, I'm showing you the losses. I never made up any screenshot. I never lied to people. And I understand that it's not working like that. I probably should start doing this. So when I see that someone betraying me, my team, my partners, the developer, who given opportunity us to analyze the price with the help of his algorithm. When I see that people betray just because I made one mistake, and every week, every live stream you will see, we're not giving any kind of financial advice, we're just showing you what we see, what the forecast shows, and what we're gonna do. We're showing to you everything, and I'm telling every week, guys, no matter how many times I was right, one day I'm gonna be wrong. In my action, in my vision, in the forecast. We're not giving you false advertisement like the forecast is 100% right. No, most of the time I'm not fixing losses. For example, if you want to know, yeah, the liquidation was harsh. It was $900,000. It's 1/3 of the deposit. And early in the morning today, I closed $43,000 non-realized losses. I realized the loss, $43,000. Because yesterday, day before yesterday, and 2 days before that, I made $140,000. So I made decision to take part of my profit, cover the losses from this position, and to lower my entry price for the Bitcoin. So what I did right now on the one account, and I'm gonna explain it to you maybe at the end of the live stream, what I'm explaining to the people in the private group, how I'm gonna deal with this situation. It's not the first time when I make a mistake, especially when I'm breaking the risk management or I'm mentally doing some kind of things that shouldn't be done. It's not the first time. I'm trying to check if everything works. Yeah. So it means that I'm gonna go step by step from the one position to another one. I have 3 positions. I have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. Also, I have small position with the XRP and one additional position which still holding since October. I don't care about this position. So it means that I'm gonna fix Bitcoin. And right now my average price to the Bitcoin, something like $84,000. I'm gonna fix this position on one account. I'm gonna switch to a second position. Maybe it's gonna be Solana, maybe Ethereum. From there, I'm gonna switch to the second account. So I'm gonna explain you everything. And I'm always trying to say this is the last time when I'm explaining something, and we're doing a lot of educational proposal videos, and especially a lot of people on the 15th of January, when I was promising to the people that I'm gonna do the live stream lesson, the 4-hour lesson for you. I did this. A lot of people just, okay, I'm not gonna go there because Andrew was wrong about 15-17. That's right, I was wrong. The algorithm give us false forecast on the 4-hour time frame, but how precious it was with the weekly, 2-weekly and daily time frame was still not in March. How many times I've been telling to you, how many times I've been showing to you. Yeah, I think and I hope that this kid, give me a second, that this kid, yeah, you remember this is one of the best video.
Yeah. Will you remember the dates?
I'm gonna fix this position on one account. I'm gonna switch to.
If you're gonna write, yeah, it will work. So I will tell you, the next buying dates, so the next bottom for the crypto market will be 17, 18 of December. Will you remember that?
But this year.
This year, yeah. From there, the price will go up until first 2 weeks of January. From there, the price will go to the correction probably until March. And then we're gonna have one more peak of the price closer to April, May, June 2026. When is your birthday?
This video was posted in December 11. If you're gonna go on the YouTube channel, if you're gonna go on the live stream, if you're gonna go to the December, either it was that or that video. Just find me in the long sleeve polo. Right now in the short sleeve polo, blue, navy blue color. There I'm staying in the long sleeve polo, black one. You can find me by the pimple on my forehead, and you will see that that was at least 7-10 days before. So just let me, I will try to. For me it's interesting. Let's try to figure out. Not the polo. Not the black one, yeah. Yeah, not the black one, not the polo, and here is the polo, yeah, probably, I think. This is the polo?
Letting you know. And
where is the pimple? Where is the pimple, Mr. Andrew?
Money and stay on the...
I cannot see. Yeah, here's the pimple. My girlfriend, when she see that, she's sometimes covering them by the makeup. So that was 2 months ago, November 23. Why I know that? Because there is the Opus clip which making these videos, and I'm giving him, please, could you do this, and that. This is the t-shirt, it's not, yeah, this one video. So on this video, right after that, I'm going to the Rodeo Drive and I'm showing to the kid the things. You can find way more if you're gonna go here. If you're gonna go here, you will see the videos. And I'm sorry if you are busy right now and you don't want to watch this. I'm sorry. So if I'm gonna go back to November, could it be this one?
Maybe months ago.
8 weeks ago, yeah, probably this one. So the only thing that I need to find is this kid. Yeah, here it is. Take a look at this. So the first video after I made this video in November, the video was edited in December 5. In December 5, I need to save it. I need to tell it to myself. So the same kid, but the video which gained 2.5 million views was edited by this AI. It's something like, oh, they probably deleting everything, like the whole video they deleting. So the fifth, let's try to take a look a little bit lower. Take a look at this, the same kid. The third, it means that I'm posting every day the videos, yeah? Take a look at this guy. What day is it? November 30. Do you think this guy from the Ireland was there in December 11? Do you think that I'm changing something? Do you think that I'm even trying to make up something to withdraw the words that I said? But unfortunately, sometimes my vision or the forecast is not the same as my actions. And since November, December, we've been doing a lot of trades. We've been showing to you a lot of things, and I was expecting price to 83,000. We dropped to 80. And from there, I was expecting 96, 98, 100. We reached 97, 800. And I was so greedy that I put 4 times more than I should put in the long position. And I'm gonna deal with this position. But I will never forgive people who's betraying me for one mistake. That's not gonna work like that. In the private group, I'm explaining a lot that as soon as possible, I will maybe even increase the price for everything that I'm doing. Since December, I explained it to you that I'm going up on 20%. And right now, I will talk to my partners and I'm probably gonna increase the price 5 times. I don't need people who are unstable. I don't need people who cursing me in the comments or in DMs. I don't need people who's trying to play with my brains by explaining me that I'm retarded. And also I don't need people who's not pressing the like button, the cheapest price of this live stream. So guys, the only thing that I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna check how many likes you put on this video right now. Give me a second, I will check it. Because I'm that type of person. 85. So the half of you not pressing the like. So that's the thing, as soon as possible. I'm gonna do this live streams only prepaid. You know why? Because I can. Because I know the price of the information that I'm providing. Sorry for this, I don't know what the fuck is this. I just shaved myself and probably one hair stuck here. So you can write whatever you want here. We're still doing the same thing that we are doing. I need to show you one thing. That's the next step, which we're gonna give you. That's the next step, the Elcaro app. So first thing first, I'm claiming my daily rewards, which I can use then on the forecasts. So I'm just gonna go with the things that gonna create more and more attention in the media, and I'm gonna stop promoting something here on the streets. I'm gonna promote the app, the feeds with the news. So I know what I'm doing, and I don't want to stick to the people who disrespectfully angry because they did the same mistake as I did. The people who's forgetting about that I'm here alone trying to show you, trying to explain you, and there is the hundreds and hundreds of people who's bothering me daily. Take a look at this. Take a look at this. How many unread messages? 99. Every day, at least 100 messages. And I'm good. I put myself in here in this situation. So let's dive deep to the chart. Sorry for this long speech. I deserve this long speech. And no offense to everyone. If you're gonna pay 500 or 10,000 or whatever amount of money that I want you to pay. So if you're not watching our videos, if you're not watching these videos, where are they? If you're not watching these videos, and probably you're not watching them, what I'm gonna do, I need to choose from every video people who comment them and send $100 for each video. I will do this. Maybe not today, maybe today, I don't know. We're gonna take a look. So I'm trying to give you updates, a lot of updates where the price will come back, how the price will react, and I'm trying to catch. So what I'm gonna do right now, guys, I'm tired of holding the screen like this, yeah? I cannot touch it. I say it, we hit this 44, 64, yeah? Same as here. Take a look at this. Where is the yellow line? Where is the yellow line, Mr. Andrew? Take a look at this yellow line. Here. So we hit everything. We are here. I'm giving you that type of explanations, yeah? Like what the Trump will do, how they're gonna reset. yesterday when I was lying on the couch, I was thinking, because every day when I'm going to the gym, I'm watching a lot of things about the Epstein files, and I was thinking why there is so many FUD and rumors about the Epstein was the part of the Bitcoin white paper, or maybe he is the Satoshi Nakamoto. Why are they talking about this? Why did the US Treasury 3 or 4 days ago, because this is the first time when I'm doing the news, the crypto or the market news on the YouTube, why there is US Treasury who's telling to us that we're not gonna buy, we're just gonna hold the things that the FBI or whatever whom will withdraw from the terrorist or from whatever whom. And then 2 days ago they're dropping that probably the US government, US Treasury, buying the Bitcoin for 60,000. Why are they telling us about the Epstein? Why are they telling to us that there is a lot of things? So maybe in these files they will find the seed phrase of the Satoshi Nakamoto wallet. Oh, you know, we just checked this information and yeah, we figure out that this is the access to the Satoshi Nakamoto wallet. What kind of bullshit this fucking Hollywood script scenarists will give to you? And then they're gonna say, we have a 1 million Bitcoins. And I know that 1 million Bitcoins is just a fucking small part of money. It's nothing. But also, well, people expecting that someone should tell you when they buying, when they selling, what they doing, they telling you whatever they want to tell you, because people should be humble. People should be humble. And what if the plan that I showed to you here, that they putting $10 trillion here, they making more, then they making more, like we're all expecting that they're gonna start to print the money. Who told you that the government couldn't did this? And who not gonna tell you that, okay, this 1 million Bitcoins of the Satoshi Nakamoto, which was the 1 million Bitcoins of Epstein or whatever bullshit they gonna just made up, they gonna try to do this. I'm telling you this since March. I'm telling you this. That Trump will start to pay off the debts of United States. He will. There is no other way. All these things that I'm showing to you, all these things, there is in the Telegram, there is the part of the video from the private group where I'm showing you how I was expecting and how it's working. Yeah, how I was expecting, like here. We come to this price before this. So still the end of the year, which are here on the 2 weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, it's still here. So it means that, in my opinion, it's still pretty huge probability that the price here will be here. I'm telling to you right now, once again, the thing that I've been telling to you years ago, the price will be there. We've been expecting this high, we hit this high. People here, and especially those who read this message, oh, you said 120, we go to 126, how stupid you are, loser. My girlfriend texted me. Hello Sonia, I'm doing the live stream. This is people, this is me. Hello Sonia, love you. She's happy, she goes on the ocean. To the ocean. So every time when I'm trying to show you something, every time, like this, yeah, I cannot edit this thing from here, we're going up here, then we're falling down, then we're doing this, like I'm trying my best, and people just consuming information. Like it's like you watching the TV series, whatever, like Fallout, Game of Thrones, and you screaming on the screen. If someone did something, oh, I get rid of this. Sorry for that. Sorry, guys. I'm that type of the nervous person. Like, if I'm not gonna solve this problem, that's gonna be bothering me for the whole day. So, what I want to do right now, I was expecting that we're gonna be here in March or May. I know that. We hit this in February. So it means that the March or May could be not so good for us, yeah? So what I want to do right now, I want to slightly clear the chart, not to bother myself with the whole this additional things. So that's the expectations of the price. That's the same expectations of the price that I'm drawing to the people. That's the thing that I've been showing to the people for the last, I don't know how many days or weeks, that here is the buying point, 4/5. We've been showing it to you that this is gonna be the bottom, and I know that I opened my long position from here. I know, please don't remind me this. I know I'm still holding it. Most of the people not even gonna make this money through the whole life in one basket, in one bank account. I'm good, I'm good. So if I made mistake here, it doesn't mean that it should be like, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, I cannot trade anymore. No, you're just dealing with the problems. Like if you're gonna have, God please no, cancer, there is the part of people who's like, what can I do? And there is the part of people who's fighting. So I prefer to fight. If someone will ever try to, me or my family, I will try to fight. I wouldn't say like, oh yeah, just lube my ass. No. So I was showing to you that I'm waiting here price, yeah? So right now, guys, right now, I know that I don't need this. I remember everything that I said. If you want to know something, just go back and watch any video for the previous 3 weeks. Any video. So right now, I'm just gonna clear a little bit and I'm gonna give you additional information with the expectations, with everything. Even take a look at this, yeah? Like buy. Even that part of the 1 hour time frame, which I probably give 2 or 3 days ago on the YouTube, works pretty good. So this one, that one, I'm gonna delete. Take a look at this sell. You know what I did? You know what I did? I took this sell. I took this part and I said that I'm not gonna try to take this. But what I did here, I scaled my long position on only one account. So right now my average price is something like 84, 83, 83, 700, something like this. So right now I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna delete this because you've been notified. I'm gonna delete this line. Where was the expectation? I'm gonna delete this line, that line. I'm gonna delete that. Sorry for this, but I'm a little bit tired of dirty chart. So we don't need anything here. We don't need anything here. That's the explanations. Everything on the YouTube, you can go and watch there. Why I'm leaving this zone, why I'm leaving this line, and why I'm leaving this red lines. So the first thing first, we hit this before, so probably closer to March, May, we could go lower. So I'm gonna delete this line also. So why I'm leaving this red lines? This is the price range where Bitcoin shouldn't be before 13th of February. This is white line showing to us 13th of February. I hope you're gonna remember this because I'm gonna delete this as well. So the Bitcoin shouldn't be with the 68% probability on 74 and with the 95% probability on 78. It shouldn't be on 78, I hope you understand that, and it shouldn't be on 74. Also, before 13th of February, the Bitcoin shouldn't be lower than 62, and with 95% probability, definitely not gonna be on 56, 57. So the things that I'm trying to show you was given to the private group. Where is that? The Bitcoin. Yeah, here it is. The same thing. Where the price not gonna be? 62, 56, 74, 79. So I'm gonna stick to the plan that 13 is here. 13 is here, yeah? Let's stick to the 13. After that, we're gonna tell people where the price not gonna be on 20. After that, we're gonna tell people where the price not gonna be on 27. So what to expect? While we have this forecast that's showing to us that here we stop. Also, I gave it to the people in the private group. Here, should stop. Then I'm explaining to them that blah, 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 blah. The Bitcoin should be here. Where the Bitcoin right now? In this zone. I put this zone, I explain it to the people. because the smart money price action will start to open short position here with that, at least that, but mostly even to that zone. So this is the smart money price action movement. And in my opinion, as soon as possible, when this divergence will start to work closer to the middle of the channel, we're gonna see impulse down. We're gonna see impulse down. But as far as I have the phase which shows to me that the price from here till here, the same as it here, yeah? And for the last couple of days, weeks, we're working from the short. So from here till here, the price should go higher. We have this pretty good movement up, It's almost 20%. It's pretty good movement up. I notify people in the private group also that I'm buying, I think it was somewhere, or maybe I said it in the public group that I'm buying the Ethereum, Bitcoin, and the Ethereum ETF. So I'm trying to say to you that I'm not expecting that the price will be here. So I'm not expecting at all. I need to stick to the plan that the price probably should be here or even higher. This yellow line, the same, I explained it to the people on Monday or Tuesday video. No, it wasn't Monday or Tuesday, it was the 6th of February. I explained that here, when the price will be on the yellow line, 75,500, the bearish structure will be broken. So this yellow line canceling this scenario that the price should go lower. But we already understand that the market and the market maker always doing something opposite your expectations, something opposite from the whole people expectations. So here, the price should go higher. And I'm gonna give you my forecast, my expectations of the price, what will probably gonna happen. So one thing, I really want to see price on 72, 74. In the next couple of days, maybe right before today, London session, before London session will start. So probably the China will open the market like this. After that, the market will go down until 10s. So I'm gonna put this line here, that's gonna be the red line, and that's gonna be the green line on the 1 hour time frame. And of course, we have a squeezed channel, so I need to wait while we're gonna be here, something like here, yeah, the top, then we're going down. So, and then after that, I need to wait while we're gonna be at the bottom of the same chart. Let me turn off then, it's gonna disturb people right now. So that's my expectations. And my expectations where the price will stop closer to 10s, something like 64, 62, maybe closer to this red line. That's possible. From here, we're gonna give people some kind of time to make decision. So it means in this zone, the price could go higher, lower, depending on the lower time frame structure. We can go on the 5-minute time frame, we will see the bullish structure, people will start to think that we're bullish. So it means that the price should take their lower liquidity from the lower low, from the previous lower low of the 5-minute structure. If we're gonna go on the 15-minute time frame, that could be still, yeah, like this, bearish structure. So it means that the price should take their higher high, previous higher high liquidity. Like, it's always about the strategy that you're using. Whatever. Just take the screenshot of the chart, put it to the ChatGPT, ask him to give you perspective of the wave Elliott waves, smart money price action, technical, fundamental, whatever analysis, like the fucking tarot card. If you want, I can take them, my friends, leave them for me for the content. So basically, that's something that's gonna happen, and here is the main thing. The main thing here. In my opinion, in my personal opinion, that could happen right until the 14th of February. So basically, couple of days since 10 till 14, that's waiting enough for people to be scared, because right now in the media, everywhere, every fucking dog screaming about that, oh, we're going one more time lower. Yeah, we're gonna go lower. The cover of this video, the name of this video telling that we need to have one more dip before March. So the lowest expectation that I have right now, and this is the best expectations for people who's trading smart money price action, is this low. But if this low will be taken, it means that the people put the stop loss on their long position here. So in my opinion, the 58 will be triggered as well. I will say that I'm not expecting price here. I'm not expecting price lower than 62. I even don't want to see the 62, so I'm gonna stick to closer to 63, 64, 65, like I show you here, yeah? That's my expectation, that the price will be here. Give me a second, please. The developer texted me. I'm not expecting price here. I'm expecting price here, and that all these ups and downs could happen before 13. So we have the white line which showing to us where the price not gonna be before 13. And in my opinion, as soon as we're gonna see the 4-hour time frame, at least at the bottom of this chart, that's already gonna be the end of the moment. Yeah, for example, we have the order block. We have the order block on the daily time frame, pretty good order block, yeah? So people will expect that the price will come back here, and from here we can catch the movement up. I will stick to this plan. I will stick to this plan. We have that the daily time frame still showing to us at the end of the February, beginning of March, and the 4-hour time frame showing to us the same. The end of the February, beginning of the March, the next bottom. So it means that I'm gonna expect price to be here. After that, our structure, our 4-hour and the daily structure, bearish structure, will be respected. So it means that every time new lower low, so people will expect this to 45, 30,000, I don't know, like people right now, I'm gonna say even lower. And everyone telling that the Andrew Tate are stupid. No, this time he's not stupid. This time he's not stupid, I'm telling you this. The main question, will he sell when he's gonna have 20, 30, 40% profit? So I'm expecting from here, price closer to these dates to go higher, to break the structure. I'm gonna delete this line right now, to break the structure, to break this line. And this is the main question, where the price would be before the middle of the February. I cannot say right now. So I'm gonna wait while the price will go here. Maybe from here, I don't care. I will wait for this divergence to work through the middle to give us impulse down. Then we're gonna go up, then we're gonna go down, then we're gonna up. And here on the top of the 4-hour time frame, on this top of the 4-hour time frame, the daily time frame will start to turn around, and that's something that will give us one more bottom. And this bottom probably will be closer to March. And that's the main thing here. That's the main thing here. Right now, before the developer will give me new calculations of where the price not gonna be, I'm tired to try the water. Yeah, like I'm tired of trying the water. I'm tired of giving my perspective. Even if the 80,000 was called, but 83, it's less than the 5% movement mistake. 96, 98, 100. Go back since November. Go back to any fucking live stream since November. You will see how I'm drawing these lines on every chart. There is always the part of the brains, I don't know which part, which blocking the clear mind and which blocking, you said this, stick to the plan. you said this, don't do anything else. So the main question, where the price will be here? In my expectations, before 13, we're not gonna be here. Yeah, so we have the 13 and where the price not shouldn't be. So I'm gonna expect that before 13, we could be 72, 74. It could be 75. Because 75, 500, the 4 hour and the daily, especially daily time frame body of the candle breaking the structure. We shouldn't break the structure right now. Maybe just the impulse up the week, but still. From there, we're going lower to previous order block. From there, from the middle of the months, let's say 10, 14, we need to go higher. And I want this high to be higher than 75, at least 78, but could be 82, 84. Because on the 82, 84, this is the main thing of the gap, yeah? The gap will be closed. This gap will be closed on the daily time frame, the 4 hour time frame, whatever. This gap will be closed. And it means that we need to have one more movement down, yeah? And this is the movement down that we're gonna be expected. So I'm gonna stick to the plan to wait what the price will show me closer to 18, because with all these lines, with all these expectations, I'm so fucking tired. Like I'm expecting, I'm showing, that's. I'm so tired of all this line. But I'm giving you, because people asking, I made the poll, people asking to give them price, people asking to give them the dates, people asking to give them like whatever tips or information that I can provide. So that's how I see the price for the next 3 weeks. We will see, am I right, am I wrong? We will see if this high will be recalculated, and this high could be here, or this high could be here. We will see this, we will see. But I'm showing you how it's showing to me right now. Right now is the fucking 8th of February. It's still definitely not 18th of February and definitely not the end of the March. Yeah, if I'm showing you here, with this kid, exactly the dates, 17, 18 of December. From there, we're going up to the first 2 weeks of February. From there, we're going through the correction deeper till the March. We're trying to be precisely accurate. But sometimes, we're not. You know, like when the man going to pee, sometimes he pee on his legs. And definitely 99% of the people peeing on the seat, peeing on all over the toilet. Sometimes shit happens. If you bother about this, if you worry about this, go back to your fucking job. That's it. There is no other way. If you don't want to be punched in the face, don't fucking start the fight. If you're happy with your $10,000 salary or $1,000 salary, the market is not for you. Because here, not only about the wins, it's about how you're gonna hold the fucking punch. So, that's my vision, that's my expectations for the next couple of weeks. This divergence, guys, and this, guys, all the higher time frame, 5 hours, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, they're showing to me that 100 days make me older. RIP, rest in peace. That was, he wasn't my friend, but I love this song. So that guy and the 4 hour time frame showing to me that as soon as possible, we're gonna have impulse. The same thing that I'm showing all the time for the people in the private group. Impulse up, take a look at this, impulse up. Everything is turning around and we have this moment up, 20% moment up. Unfortunately, it's impossible for me to catch this moment up on my big accounts because I'm already in the fucking long position. And when it was 60, I'm doing the live stream and telling to people I'm in $300,000 profit. I cannot close all position. I'm gonna take only half. So basically, you fighting. You putting more and more money to your deposit by trading opposite way. I hate hedge positions. I hate. But with that market, it's impossible. It's impossible without the hedge positions. Or even if you're gonna use the first leverage, it's impossible to survive everything right now. So the thing that I need to learn And I hope that I'm gonna learn this, because the developer telling to me this probably, I don't know, 18 months in a row. Andrew, learn to fix losses. You need to accept at least 20% from your profit in the losses. I can't. I'm so fucking greedy. So today, early in the morning, we see 71. I'm accepting part in losses. I'm telling to myself, okay, I made on this account 140 something. I'm gonna take $46,000 in losses. I'm still in profit. But it's hard because you're starting to think, okay, this is the 1-bedroom apartment in the middle of the Kyiv. This is the fucking Mercedes or whatever, like my Ducati bike. So you're starting to think, this is the Adamar Piguet here. Stainless steel, but still good. This is the fucking gold Rolex on the wrist. But yesterday we go to the restaurant with my girlfriend and she was like, what's bothering you right now? I was like, my non-realized losses. Because this is the house, this is the fucking Lamborghini, Rolls Royce, this is the watch, this is the whole dream package that I have in my wish list. And right now I need to spend few months to fight this position because of my greed and because of the things that bothers me when people texting me. So if you have any questions, ask Google. I'm not your friend, I'm not your assistant, I'm not your consultant, I'm not your fucking anyone. I'm just guy who's making videos. You want to see my tutorial about how I'm making makeup? I will show you. You want to see tutorial about the food, ASMR, whatever? You want to see it? I will create it. But we're talking about the money. And it's not like I care about your money. I care about my. And you watching the things that I'm trying to show you. If you're not happy with this, that's fine. But right now, I'm gonna check how many likes you put. And I hope that I'm gonna be happy with your support. Okay, I'm happy. 30% of retarded people, let it be. 30% or even less, yeah, less than like 20% of people. Like, where is the like? Oh, peanuts. Oh no, it's a shit of my dog. That type of people doesn't bother me. That type of people, like the parasites, they just leeching, like, you know, leeching. So let them leech. I'm good with that. I'm trying to filter, to clear the community from people who don't understand the risk management, the probabilities, the fucking mistake, the fucking, I'm gonna lose the fight, I'm not gonna lose the war. I'm trying to clear it. So every hater, every like whatever, how fucking smart or retarded you are, I don't care. Let's move further. Guys, thank you very much. Thank you for support. If you like our content, this is the best thing that you can do. So here will be two questions. You see that it shows to us that the 18 is the huge volatility. You see that? Why it shows to us? Because if we're gonna go on the daily time frame, on the volatility, where's the volatility? Here. And if you're gonna go, let's say, on any live stream since January, 100 days make me older. Let's do even November. Let's do any. I will open any of them. Yeah. Enough. So what we need to do? We need to press the pause. We need to go here. We need to find the volatility. Where is the volatility? Here. Take a look at this.
So here is the expectations from the previous weeks, from 3rd till 8th. I was expecting here.
Come on.
I'm gonna clear air.
Yeah. So we have the first thing, yeah. You see, it's showing to us that we need to go higher. That was November. I'm gonna show you. We're gonna find. Shut the fuck up. We're gonna find where I'm putting these lines. BVIV.
Expectations.
Please don't text me right now. I'm really gonna be happy if you're not gonna text me right now about. Not this one.
Assets.
Sorry guys, sorry for wasting your time, but I know that you're not doing this, like watch this video.
Correct.
So, where is that? This is the October, yeah? This is the October. BTC dominance. Let's go further.
My opinion.
In my opinion, shut the fuck up. I will turn off the sound if you don't mind. So this is the December. That should be here somewhere. The BVIV 4 hour. Mr. Andrew, please. Could you show when you put in these lines? I need to find these lines. They are in January, so that's why I'm going through the December. The next one. The next one. BVIV. Oh, here it is. Yeah, probably here. Probably it's gonna be here. Mr. Andrew, please do this faster. That was before. Not here. Okay, let's go further. Sorry for this. Sorry for this. Someone should do this. The BVIV December 21. Because most of the time, every week, I'm analyzing the 4 hour time frame. I need to analyze the daily time frame also. What date is showing to us? January. It's also January. But I need the daily time frame. I need the daily time frame. And I know someone will say, why you didn't prepare yourself to this live stream before? Why you wasting my time? Fuck you. Yeah, here it is. You see, like from this, please, Andrew, could you draw some lines? Take a look at this retarded person. Take a look at this. What the fuck is the... I don't know how people watching. That's fucking insane. That's funny. Oh my God. Could you please just... I'm explaining how I'm like dealing with the volatility. That's really funny. That's really funny. And that's for haters. Okay, BV, put the fucking line there. I'm definitely here in December explaining from where till where we're gonna have in the fucking insane volatility. And since then, I'm talking about, you see like how many times I'm sticking to this. We're not gonna listen to this. Like, I'm just, show me these fucking lines where you put in the lines. Oh my God, I never talk so much about the volatility. Big move, big moves, big moves. Okay, just shut the fuck up. Where is that? Could you please do this? I will really appreciate. Okay, you can listen to me there, but I need to see these lines. I need to see this line because I'm definitely not touching them since my mother gave a birth to me. Yeah, for example, let it be here. Yeah, let it be here. The big moves since January till this. What I'm trying to show here, that the big move, yeah, like the big move, we have these lines. Please. Yeah, you see? Here we go. 11th of January, the new update that the volatility should go lower from here till here, from here till here, the big moves. So what I'm trying to show you right now, that the big moves on the 4 hour time frame will start from here till here. Once again, my friends, there is a lot of people who don't care about this, but this fucking shit happened only 4 times through the whole history of the crypto market. The thing that was here. So it shows to me that still the big moves from here, everything will be with the huge volatility, so everything will put the fucking fist and open the fist in the ass. That's the only way, either not to break the risk management, or if you broke the risk management as Andrew, press like, subscribe, and turn on the notification, because the notification only for people who break the risk management. So if you did that, only hedge positions will save you, or the huge amount of additional money in your pockets. So guys, That's the part of the volatility which are frightening me, That's the part which shows us that from the 20, 19, 18, from here, from the next bottom, from that could start to happen from the 15, from here till here at least, then the next one here. The daily time frame will show me a little bit more. The daily time frame, take a look at this, the daily time frame showing to me that right before, I'm gonna delete this, right before the beginning of March, take a look at this, right before the beginning of March, what would happen? Bigger volatility. It means that the movement will be bigger than you expect. So we have 1819 on the 4 hour and the beginning of the March. What do we have here? We have that the beginning of March is the bottom, and we have the 4 hour time frame 1819 going down. It means that this is the fucking huge probability that before 18 we're gonna slightly go up, we're gonna slightly go down, then we're gonna go up again, and I really want to see price to cover the gap on 82, 84, or at least 78,000. But from there we have a chance to see price lower than 50, lower than 60, higher than probably 45, 40 whatever. The developer doesn't think, because the chance to see volatility 96, 97 is 0.07% per day. So it means that we're not expecting this, but also we're not expecting too many things for the last couple of years. And there is too many people who's just buying, and not the dip, like the Michael Saylor. He's just buying like whatever. Oh, right now on 60,000, I'm gonna buy on 72. He's the type of the person who don't give a fuck because he's not using his money. There's a lot of people who don't care about this. So basically, it shows to me that, Andrew, you need to be prepared if something goes wrong. You need to be prepared for the wrong actions, for the wrong huge manipulations, huge volatility. So once again, I'm not expecting huge pump before 18, 19, but from 1819 it's showing to us the forecast that the price should go to the correction one more time before the 1st of March. So it means that I'm gonna stick to the plan that the end of the February, beginning of March could be pretty bad for the crypto market. Let's go further. We're done with the volatility, yeah? The Ethereum, the same thing. Here I was explaining to the people what I'm gonna try to catch. The moment down, the moment up, etc, etc, etc. Yes, I know that I was expecting that we're gonna drop only to these lines, only to these lines. This lines was given to you. So right now I need to only clear the chart, yeah? I'm gonna clear even the buying, the selling point, whatever. This is the range from where people will open the short position. So I'm expecting that as soon as possible the price will be here. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna sell the Ethereum that I bought here. My average enterprise is $1,897. I'm gonna sell it here. Then I'm gonna expect, with the huge volatility as it shows, the moment down. So here, from all this video drawings, we already here, yeah? We go here, we're going up. So I don't need this. I don't need this, people who wants to do recaps. I'm fucking tired of this recaps, if you know what I mean. So right now, the daily time frame will show me that we definitely should be here, yeah? We definitely should be here. And in my opinion, as soon as possible, we're gonna come back there. As soon as possible, we're gonna come back there, we're gonna take this liquidity, we're probably gonna give people the false confirmation, but we don't have divergence here. So as soon as this guy will be at the bottom, probably that's gonna be like this. Like, no, not like this. Bounce, 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 bounce. And from here, we're gonna go lower. I'm gonna expect this line. This is my expectation, the easy target. This is my expectation, not easy target. So I'm gonna stick to the plan of the 15. Where is the 15? 15 and even 20. This is the selling for me. If the price will be here, it's breaking the 4-hour time frame bearish structure. So from here, the price should go higher. Where is the easy target to be high? And you're not gonna love it. You're not gonna love it. Unfortunately, the developer didn't calculate the probability for the Ethereum, but you're not gonna love it from here till here. This is the easy target for the, even, you know, I'm gonna put you the third line here. That's possible. Also, if we're gonna talk about the lowest price, I will stick to the plan that until the end of the year, here we're gonna see this. Also, go back and watch previous videos since April and even go to the March. You will see how I'm drawing this, where to fix, that the price not gonna be $5,000, etc., etc. Then I was expecting here, and the lowest one that I'm expecting, 1,600. In my opinion, lower than 1,000, we're gonna be closer to the end of the year. So here, probably at the end of the year. With the Solana, it's way more harder. It's way more harder because the probability that Solana could go even lower than $60 or even $50 is pretty huge. So in my opinion, we reached this zone. Go back to the March, February previous year. You will see that I'm showing to you this, and we're not gonna be on the all-time high. One more time. So you will see that but before that, my friends, before that, I will also tell you the things. So my expectation that could happen with the price. I'm gonna stick to that plan. I'm not gonna go on the lower time frame, but if you want, and I know that you want, we still have 12, yeah, 11, 10. So in my opinion, the China could open higher than to put lower with the whatever London or New York session. So in my opinion, as soon as this guy will be on top, we could have pretty good impulse up. From there, I'm expecting that the price should go lower. But the biggest movement will start from 14, 20 of February, and the end of this movement will be closer to the beginning of March. On the daily time frame, I think that you deserve this as soon as possible. You see? The same. The last week of the February, the first week of the March, from there, we're probably gonna go to the $4,000, maybe 3,000, maybe 4,000. I don't give a fuck. As soon as I'm gonna have the calculation, I will give it to you, but you need to beg for them. Yes, or you need to pay. Like yesterday, my friend called me and she said, I don't know how it's happened. My assistant didn't read the contract, which we've been signing. And the contract said that no matter what's gonna happen, the seller has access to your bank account, routing and account number. And if you even not gonna agree with this, but you sign this contract, we could pay for the service and the product that you are signing right now. So she called me and she said, how stupid, how fucking retarded you should be to sign the contract on the $1 million plus, and the and the payment, the first payment was automated on $270,000. So she said to me, like, what the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? Like, why it's happening to me? Why she told me that everything is good, signing the contract, and I'm losing money. I know that I need this. I know that the contract should be, but they doing this without my confirmation. They just doing that. So that's why, like, if I don't have any calculations, if I don't have anything, and I'm telling to her, like, sorry, I missed the point. I'm telling to her, call to your assistant. She started to telling me, like, you know, the basic things, like, I want to fire her, I want to, like, I'm pissed off. I'm still paying for the things that I need, but I don't need to pay for this before the end of the February. That's the main question. And I'm telling her, call her and tell her, you took the part of my money. I want the part of your body. For example, pinky finger. So basically, people need to pay for the information. People need to pay for everything. That's my opinion. Let's get back to the chart. I'm telling in online that someone will cut the pinky finger or whatever. So we have the daily time frame that's showing to us that, in my opinion, before April and then in July here, the Ethereum will feel itself pretty good. The same with the Bitcoin, April and July. We've been talking this for the months because the daily time frame showing to us almost the perspective on the half a year or further, even further. And you should be aware of the beginning of March, May, and then August. Be prepared. And you know, like, some of you should even write on the wall So Andrew said that the bottom will be here and the top will be here, so it means that I need to avoid the longer short position. Guys, sometimes we need to avoid them, but I'm doing the mistakes, people doing mistakes, we all doing mistakes. So let's go further. Ethereum, we done. Solana, the same, showing to us, yeah, here. But with the Solana, it's more interesting. We have this divergence, and we think that closer to the middle of the channel, that divergence could work pretty good. So it means that, in my opinion, this divergence will be hit either from here till here or from here till here. So the same. All these things, guys, all the things was given to the people on 5th of February. Take a look at this. This is the Bitcoin, this is the Solana, this is the Ethereum. 5th of February, 10 p.m. Where is the 5th of February, 10 p.m.? Here, yeah, 10. So I'm telling to the people that we need to be here. I'm telling to the people that we need to be here, and I'm telling to the people that we need to be here with the Solana. So also the expectations of the movement down, we go even lower than I was expecting. We have the calculation where the price not gonna be before the 13th of February. So 13th of February is the white line, the same thing I gave yesterday on the video. The price shouldn't be 94,109, yeah? But I'm expecting that as soon as possible, and probably that could be before the 18, 17, whatever. Guys, the forecast of the Solana showing the forecast of the Solana, but the Bitcoin will manipulate the price. So I'm always trying to stick to the Bitcoin price. So it's showing to me that we could be here, yeah? I'm also expecting that we could hit the lowest part of this order block, the easiest, yeah, the gap, the order block, whatever. Like, use your fucking strategy. But also the Solana showing to me that we're not gonna be here. So I do not expect that Solana before the beginning of the March, will hit this liquidity one more time. Here we could be. The price could do that movement, that movement, that movement, that movement. So I'm gonna stick to this plan. I'm gonna stick to everything that showed here. That line the same. That line showing where the bearish structure of the 4-hour time frame will be broken. So it means that they need to break this structure. This line showing to us before 13th of February. So that's the zone where people gonna open the short positions. That's the zone where people gonna open short positions. I think that the price before the 20 should manipulate and take this liquidity. And from here, we could go lower to this liquidity. So be prepared for this. That could happen. Too many people expecting that it's gonna happen right now immediately, but I'm thinking that if we're gonna go lower than $60,000, that could happen only in the second part of February before the beginning of January. What we're gonna try to catch, yeah, we have this divergence. We're gonna try to catch the movement down. I will definitely gonna show you. Like, I can send you right now the screenshots of the position that I opened day before yesterday. I think I will tell you. I think 100 days or make me something. I think I set it here. I set it here. And that's the first one. Fuck, on some of this video, there was the couple of the short positions that I catch for the last couple of days. And everything I'm posting in the Telegram channel. So that's my expectations. We're not gonna be here before 13. So that's pretty easy to understand. The things that you should be afraid, the higher time frame of the Bitcoin, the higher time frame of the Ethereum, yeah? The divergence was notified in the private group. We notified that we're waiting for the bounce from the 5th. That's why I told the people we should stop. Take a look at this. All these things was shown to the people in the private group. Where is the 5th? Here. The divergences on the Ethereum, Solana, Bitcoin. Everything I showed to the people. So right now I need to delete them because they already worked. We don't need them anymore. Right now we need to wait for the new divergences. So we have this one, that one, that one. Take a look at this, yeah? This is the 5, 6, and 7 hour time frames. So 5, 6, 7 hour time frame on the Ethereum. Solana, the same divergences that I sent to the people. That was pretty good movement up. With the Solana, 5, 6, 7. With the Bitcoin, only 5. And on the lower time frame, yeah, we're looking only on the 4 hour time frame. The Bitcoin 4 hour time frame, the Ethereum doesn't have, and the Solana has the 4 hour time frame divergence. So that's why I'm expecting for manipulation down. I'm expecting for the manipulation down. What I'm trying to show you here, where is that? Not this one. What I'm trying to show you here, manipulation going up higher. And from there, guys, I'm gonna be afraid of the end of the February, beginning of March. I'm gonna be afraid, like in the meaning of, do I need to fix the profit or not? Right now, how I'm dealing with my position. Yeah, I promise you that I'm gonna tell you this, but probably I'm gonna tell you this only after we're gonna take a look at the Bitcoin dominance. We're gonna take a look at the Bitcoin futures, and I need to take a look at the totals. Yeah, because with the totals, it's gonna be pretty interesting. We drop insanely. All these lines was given to you either on the live stream or on the videos. I don't know. 5th, 17. Can I move it here? Can I do this like this? Can I move this line here right now? Yeah, we are at the first week of the February. Can I move it at the first week of the March? Total 2, the same. The line was here, but we're definitely trying to catch this, guys. Always the bottom of the trading filter. I'm just gonna move this lines like this, and I'm gonna move this line here. I don't need to analyze anything because, in my opinion, yeah, on every, take a look at this, on every 4 hour time frame, total 2, total 3, others doesn't have. So I'm not gonna try to change anything here. The main thing that we need to take a look at the USDT dominance. Yeah, like here was the forecast that closer to the force, we're gonna go lower by the market, higher by the USDT dominance. But as always, we're trying to catch the top of this, and to catch this top, we need to go closer to the lower time frames. But as always, guys, I know it's not easy. It's not easy, especially when you're not using the algorithm every day, when you're not trying to get the understanding of this. So the daily time frame showing to us that the daily time frame should go higher once again before the end of the February, beginning of the March. So be afraid of this forecast. But also the main thing here is this guy. So if we're gonna turn on the forecast for the this forecast right now showing when probably this line will turn around. So I'm gonna stick to this. That's my friend from Ukraine. He's in the huge losses right now. The 4 hour time frame forecast. That, take a look at this. That probably before 10-11, and where we had 10-11 on the 1 hour time frame, it shows the bottom of the forecast on the 1 hour. So that's why I'm expecting that the Asia will pump higher, then we're gonna drop lower. Everything works the same when we're trying to go on the lower time frame, and the USDT showing to us that, yeah, we still need to have one manipulation, and from this manipulation the USDT dominance calming down until 15, 19. So just stick to this. I'm gonna delete this one. We don't need this one here. So we need to have manipulation, and then we're going lower. That's the expectation. So probably even 78, 80,000 is possible. We're done with this one. For the last at least here, I've been showing it many times. You can find it in the Telegram channel. Here, everywhere here, I've been telling to the people that we need to take the liquidity, which are the low liquidity of the 2023. I will show you. Most of the assets hit this liquidity on 10th of February, 10th of October. After 10th of October, I start to telling to people, guys, for the altcoins, it's definitely not the end, because every asset should take this liquidity. So the lowest part of this liquidity should be taken. We take it with the XRP. We take it, oh no, we didn't take it with the tone, but in my opinion, the tone will be here, in my opinion, and that could probably be closer to March. The atom, we take this liquidity, take a look at this, we take it with the week. The compound, we take it with the week. The dot, we take it with the week, especially these lines, updated lines. One more reminder was given to people at the beginning of February, before the 5th. So this, the same, we take this liquidity, almost take, yeah, so probably the ICP will go lower again. The optimism go even lower. Right now it's in the really bad situation, like the movement down could be absolutely disaster. I don't know, like even how you're gonna take the Fibonacci. I don't care, like here, it's absolutely possible for the price before the March, middle of the March. Give me a second, my friend texted me also, maybe there is something. Arbitrum, we hit it. ADA, we go in lower, yeah, and like no matter like if there's gonna be ETF or not, the ADA is the United States assets. They just fucking kidding with you. Litecoin go even lower than this one. The Gala go even lower. So basically, this week took the whole 2023 bottom, and most of the assets go even lower than this week. The same here. The ZK Cash has the opportunity to go lower. The Starknet almost reached this. GLMR even go way lower. Yeah, my bad, my expectations. The Pepe, we almost hit the week, so basically we still have a chance to be there before the March. Guys, just be prepared that especially with the altcoins, it's not over till it's over. The Dogecoin, same here. I will probably even gonna sell it because on the 5th of, I will sell it right now. I don't need the Dogecoin right now. I bought it on 5th, but I'm definitely think that I don't need it. Dogecoin, like buy market, I don't give a fuck. 100 dates and make me older. Not this account, this one. Dogecoin, sell. Okay, done. That's it with this assets. There is no other, like, yeah, like I can show you that closer to the end of the month, like whatever asset I'm gonna take closer to the end of the month. I'm not gonna go in the 4-hour time frame. I'm just gonna put the line here because in my opinion, closer to the end of the month, that will be the bottom of the altcoins. That could be 1 week before, 1 week after. I'm not gonna stick with you. So right now, the same. Before the middle of the month, I'm expecting something like this with the assets. I'm expecting the bounce back. Guys, please be... you need to see. Take a look at this. Divergence, yeah? Oh my God. Divergence. We're approaching the middle of the channel. So I'm expecting the bounce up. Divergence. We already approached the middle of the channel. Take a look at this. How it works. Pretty good movement up with the tone. Atom, divergence, we approach the middle of the channel, pretty good movement up. Compound, we're approaching. So I'm expecting the movement up before 18th of February on all assets, on crypto market. I'm expecting the correction down, the manipulation down, and from there movement up. From there, one more correction down till the beginning of March. So just, I'm trying to show you that I can find the biggest, on the 4-hour, it will show me more precisely, yeah, like the next buying point. I'm gonna avoid this one, yeah, it's already done. If you bought, okay, if you didn't bought, let it be. So 23rd, and here's something gonna be also. This one, let's put it at the beginning. The compound, let's put it at the beginning. Also, we can put it here. If you don't see or don't understand something, just press the pause and get back to the your chart. So you see, like, almost everything's showing to us the beginning of March. Almost everything's showing to us the beginning of March. The end of February, beginning of March. The end of February, beginning of March. Same here. I know that you have your assets. I don't have your assets, so unfortunately I'm not gonna go with them. Pepe and the Dogecoin, let it be the last one. That's it. That's it. That's it. We take a look on the. We're gonna take a look on the CME futures on the Bitcoin. Yeah, fucking how precisely you should be. We reach the zone. We even go lower than this zone. We reach this zone. So that's something that's frightening me, because closer to this zone, to November, probably we even gonna go lower. So right now I need to update this chart, but unfortunately I already did some kind of updates probably here. Yeah, that's the thing that I've been explaining to the private group. So right now, guys, I'm gonna stick to the plan of the, like, that was the goal since January. We're gonna reach this zone, we reach this zone, we're gonna go here, we go even lower, we reach this zone, guys. We reach this zone, which was expected closer to November. Yeah, so right now the main question for me, where the price will be in March, where the price will be in May, March, April, May, or March, April, May. I don't know, I cannot tell you. Yeah, like, I'm gonna delete this line because we go lower than I was expecting. I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna delete this. This all lines was called to you. Even when I was opening the long here, I've been telling that I need to scale my position on 88 and 75. I was wrong. I was stupid. I was like, yeah, money. Сука. I'm trying to figure out what's happening in my brains right now. Either there is, like, you know, the wasteland from the Mad Max, like, or there is the vacuum. I don't know. So I'm gonna delete this one. I'm not gonna delete this one because we're gonna be here. I'm telling to you that we're gonna be here, my friends, and probably that's gonna happen closer to either April or July. On April, my brother's birthday, that's gonna be the present for him. On July, that's my birthday, that's gonna be present for me. So either April or July. So the main question here right now, my friends, in my opinion, closer to March, we could be here. This is the 61, this is the 45, this is this. But November, like lower and lower. Guys, that's probably, this is the most precise and the most accurate forecast that I gave in my life. As I said, I need to print this. Here we have the Kings of Leon, if and when the price will be here. And that's the only way how that could be. End of April, July. Guys, the price could jump here to 130, 127, like that. 2 weeks of time. Like the fucking sprint, like. That's absolutely possible, absolutely possible. So it means that the only way is the end of April, July. And then I'm gonna turn on the, oh my God, why I cannot sing this song right now? Yes. This song we're gonna turn on when we're gonna be closer to 140. This could be the end. And this, guys, I don't remember the song which they're using in this video, but that's everything is funny. Everything is funny for me. I don't know if it's funny for you or not. This is maybe like some kind of stupidity fun, but what should I do? Jump from the roof? No, I'm not gonna do this. I need to live pretty beautiful body. I need to live beautiful body. So it doesn't, like, if you want to punch me in the face, punch me in the chest. Please. We did the update here. Yeah, so this is the what the fuck is the Ukraine? Yeah, the Ukraine fucking everyone right now, even if there is the war. There is no war in Ukraine, just to letting you know, this is the fucking business. So yeah, that's the thing that closer to November, December, and that's not 25. I don't believe in 25. Like this, like that. November, December. Yeah. So this is the flag of the Ukraine. I truly believe that we could be here. I truly believe this is the easiest target for the June, July. This is the easy. Way easier. I don't know how to spell it. Easy. You know why I know how to type easy? Because I was playing the RPG games and there is hard, medium, easy level of the game. Easy. Yeah, the main question, like, I don't know. Yeah, like the main thing here, guys, let's get back in time. Yeah, do your own research if you want to do this. If you don't want to pay $500, if you don't want to pay $1,000 for the private group, this price will be for the people, for the incomers. If you don't want to do this, before you're going to enter to the private group, which is definitely going to be way more expensive on the next win. Yeah, the previous loss was from the 15th of January, the next win right until the 5th of February. So the next win before the 20th of February, then the beginning of March, it will put us to the higher prices of the private group, because I'm fucking tired with people. So if you don't want to pay $500 or $600 or $1,000 for this, let's try to understand that before that, in October, on the 10th of October, and I already a couple of times showed you that even on the 5th of October, we've been telling to people that 125.7K per Bitcoin, this is the top, we go to 126. Before that, in March, I've been telling that the 120, so the 5% mistake, 120, 126, this is the 5%, I hope you understand this. So in October, on the 10th of October, early in the morning, I'm telling to the people, my expectation that we drop into 115, from there we're going higher, from there we're going lower. If we drop into 112, we're going to 101. We go to 101. In October, I was telling to the people that we're gonna be 101 in November. So my mistake that I'm telling people the price where we're gonna be, and I'm trying to guess the deep, which showing to me daily time frame. We've been telling to you 21st of November since I don't know when. Since go back to the fucking whatever months you wanna go in TikTok or Instagram or YouTube. 21st of November, 21st of November. So I was expecting that we're gonna be there on 100,000, but we reached 100,000 in October. Before the 21st of November, I've been talking about 83,000 on the streets, on the live streams, but I was thinking that that's gonna be in December. We reached 80,000 on 21st of November. So we're telling you the dates and we're telling you the price. Please forgive me if it's not always working. I'm trying to think, and that's the best thing when people trying to think. So here, with this screen, like my expectation was that we're gonna be here on this zone, yeah? Here, we go to this zone. So it means that right now, if we're gonna talk about that, that probably will work way better. Because, you know, before people start to bother me with all their questions, and there is no way to ask questions, there is no such opportunity to, hey, I was wondering, would you take a look at the gold? Of course, there is somewhere gold of my girlfriend. I will take a look at this. This is my father's chain. I can take a look at this gold. People who's asking me to wash their asses, fuck off. Can I fuck your wife? Can I eat your food? Can I drive your car? Can you pay my bills? Fuck off. I'm tired of these conversations. That's it. People who think that Andrew was rude in the last year, no, you don't know the Andrew. So this means that before I start to put pressure on my shoulders, oh my God, I need to explain to everyone. Fuck off, I need to start doing the fucking Twitch, and I need to start doing everything else like without any explanations. Just, hey guys, today we're gonna create some, I don't know what. So the things that I've been showing to you before I start to go crazy is way more accurate. A year ago, the things that we've been showing to you, that even the Vitaly Buterin react on this, the things that we've been showing to you about the Ethereum, yeah? If I'm gonna go here, where is that? Give me a second, I will find it. Because this fucking trading view, he's, sorry for that. The trading view fucking deleting everything. Take a look at this. People were laughing at me. People were laughing at me. The end of Ethereum, yeah? We're telling to the people, we're not gonna be $5,000. Take a look at this sell date. Take a look at this fucking sell date. You know since when this date there? I will show you. Go back here. Unfortunately, this is Ukrainian channel. Before I stop doing this for Ukrainians, take a look at this. 22nd of July. 22nd of July, 2024. Take a look at this. Sell August 2025. 22nd of July. Take a look at this. 22nd of July. You know why I'm angry? Because you fucking bothering me. Like, I'm waking up on Sunday, my close friend asking me, is there gonna be the live stream? And I was like, yeah, I need to do this because like people waiting. No. No, enough. Enough. Once again, this forecast was commented by the Buterin. That's the fucking insane thing. Verified account of Buterin in Instagram. Comment this. Take a look at this. What has been showing. Sell here, sell here. Before that, take a look at this. 3,400. Buy on 6th of August. Take a look at this. Where is that? 22nd of July. Buy 5th of August. What's happened on 22nd of July with the Bitcoin? The Bitcoin from 22nd of July. Here it is. Drop until the 5th. Where is the 5th? Here. 40% movement. The Ethereum. 22nd of July. Where is the July? 22nd of July. Here. 22nd of July. 5th. That's the thing that you should respect. Because this fucking thing from 22nd of July showing to us buy here and then fucking sell here. And the next buy here. So every time when you're trying to tell me your fucking opinion about anything, I'm looking at that and I was like, why the hell you even pass the fucking nature filter? Like there is my own younger brother who didn't survive even the first months of his life. But he was from the same fucking penis and vagina from my parents. The same that create this. And there is the person who's like, I think... Why people cannot talk with the same people like they are? Go there, play there, yeah, of course, the Ethereum will be there, 6,000, 8,000, like Tom Lee. Yeah, I think that before the end of the year, we're gonna see $8,000. What else? There is 0 fucking days, months, weeks, live streams, content on this channel or any other social media where you heard from us, yeah, buy on 120. Yeah, like easy target $8,000. No, fucking not gonna be there, not gonna be there, period. That's why I'm so pissed off, because I'm tired. I'm fucking tired of this. That's why I'm going to the admin panel and I'm increasing price 3 times for people who's betraying me. No, this group paying for the taxes, this group paying for my documents, this group paying for a lot of things, like salary for the people. And I'm trying my best to prove you something. I'm trying my best to explain you something. No. That's enough. That's enough for me. And the last thing that I will probably take a look right now. Gold. So I know that I'm still expecting price here. The price will be there and the price probably will be here. Just fucking don't bother me with my mistake from $4,400. But since the last updates, which I'm doing daily on the YouTube, please watch it, please write the comments, press like. It's not hard for you, even if you hate me, it's not hard for you. So from here, I was expecting price here or here, yeah? We reached this zone, we're bouncing back. As always, we need to stick to the 4-hour time frame or daily time frame to the trading filter. I'm not trading, I'm not buying the gold, I'm not gonna change anything. It's still showing to me that, okay, I'm gonna expect for this correction, and that could be. Everything that people telling to me could happen. The silver the same. The last update, yeah? Sell here. I already cleared this chart. I already cleared all these updates, guys. From this sell, we go to the correction. From this sell, from the more bold line, we here, yeah? The zones, 1, 2, we even go lower. So I'm not gonna do any kind of updates. All these things you can find in the YouTube videos. What I need to do, I know that people want, but I need to stop doing this. You know, I need to create Patreon, I need to create OnlyFans, I need to create like additional monetization tools. So if you want something, you're paying for this. I don't want to take a look on the assets. I don't want to take a look at them, but I said yesterday in the video on the YouTube which stocks I will probably buy tomorrow. I said it. The MSTR reach all the zones that I've been explaining, that I've been showing to you. From the last update, take a look at this, even from this, we are bouncing higher. So I'm not gonna do any kind of update. If you're missing something or if you don't know something, let it be, that's not my problem. There is no time for explanation to you how you can make money. If you know only one skill, if you have only one skill, I don't know, there is people who jerking off, there is people who's, I don't know, tailors, miners, whatever whom, drivers, whatever whom. If you know your job, do your job. If you want more, try to understand how. That's always about this. I know that maybe right now some of you are pissed off. Some of you asking, can you take a look at the Ondo? Can you take a look at the XMR? By the way, XMR USD. I will show you one thing. 100 days. So my expectation was, yeah, that from here we're gonna bounce up. We bounce up, guys. As always, I don't give a fuck about this asset. I need to stick to this. Then we're going lower. But the main thing was that we need to go lower. The last time when I made the update was on the 18th of January. That was the day when to buy, yeah? Like that was put it to the chart. You can go on the 18th here. It's easy. You just go in and trying to find probably this one, that one, or that video. You go in there, you find in XMR, and you see how I'm drawing this line. The main thing here, not to catch the bounce back here, yeah? From here till here. The main thing that we need to go lower. The same with this guy. We reach exactly the correction zone. Yeah, I'm still expecting that the price could be there, but for the last couple of months, I've been telling the people that closer to the February, I'm gonna get rid of this position. So I'm gonna wait for another oh my God, I forget how this asset calls, like not incognito assets, like the Dash, Zcash, Monero, all these assets which you cannot search and find where the money goes. So in my opinion, as soon as possible, it's going to happen once again, the pump on them. I told you everything what I'm thinking about the price for the next week. The next week there is not going to be live stream. No, not this time. What else? As soon as possible, I'm gonna increase price for everything once again. You know why? Because I want to cut off people who's not thinking. People who think, oh, I'm gonna pay this guy $100, he gonna suck my dick. No, 120, and I will do this. People who think that, how to say that properly? Because my mom and my dad always told me that you are the best, and I know that I'm the best. If you can show me a better person than I am, I'm not even gonna listen to you. Whom you gonna show me? I don't know. Mel Gibson? Chris Hemsworth? Yeah, maybe they are stronger than I am. Maybe they are richer than I am. Maybe they are more charismatic, more talented. But in the meaning of the all quality, even my psychologist telling to me at the end of the call, yeah, now I'm starting to think that you're really the God. Because guys, I love myself, I respect myself, I treat myself like the best thing in the world. Like you fucking buying the new car and you polishing it, you like fucking blowing the dust from it. Like you treating your girlfriend on the first date, like you treating your own fucking skin on the dick. You're not putting it in the outlet, you're not putting it in the mixer, you're not doing something wrong with that. We need to treat ourselves. So the best thing that I can do for myself is to cut off the whole amount of people who disrespect my borders, my questions, the thing that I'm asking from people. Guys, please don't do this. If you don't like something, here's the focus. There is no way to tell me, could you do that or could you do that? Could the video be longer? Could the video be shorter? Could you discuss this? If you are not in my contact book, then it means that you're a fucking NPC for me. I'm sorry that I'm telling you this. My life is my life, your life is your life. I'm not subscribed on you. It means that I'm not interested in you. I'm sorry for my honesty. I'm sorry that I'm not sucking your dick or other dicks to be a better person that I'm not. I'm not trying to be pleasant person. I'm trying to be myself. And I'm in the worst case mental health right now. Yesterday I bought $129 something like under eye cream, which my girlfriend recommended me in the Sephora, because we go there and she's like, hey, here I am in the Sephora stores. Yeah, this is me. Like we've been like celebrating this in the restaurant because she's doing pretty good with the job. On the 4th and 5th, she bought more and more altcoins. I said it to the people. She's doing way better than I'm doing because she's not bothering herself with the talking to people. She's going at the job, people asking her, what do your boyfriend think? What do your boyfriend think? Guys, there is no way. Either you're going to put me in the grave or I'm going to jump from the roof to the same grave. Because I'm drinking the fucking like calming pills. Drops. I'm going on the running board in the morning. I'm going to the gym just to clear my mind. I'm watching this fucking Epstein. I don't give a fuck about this Epstein. I'm trying to be in his list. I want to be there because that's the only thing that works in this life. All these people, they just fucking us. That's it. If you don't like it, it means that you're blindfolded. You're like, no, there is nothing. No, the price going only higher. It's impossible, Andrew. How stupid you are. Please stop talking. Don't talk. What the fuck is wrong with these people? Sometimes I think that I put you in this screen right now, like, no, you should watch me. You should watch me. The only thing that I'm asking, if you like this content, if it's useful content for you, if it helps you more than it disturb you, more than it like breaking something in your wallet, in your mental health, then just fucking support this channel. If not, we will go to the prepaid content. Once again, I don't need viewers. Viewers need me. You know why? Because I know how precious the information that I'm trying to give you. There is hundreds of other influencers. Go there. Just fucking consume the information about, so the Ripple said that you need to buy Ripple. Oh, the Ripple go 3 times lower. Oh my God, buy more. You know, like that I'm not holding, I'm not buying Ripple. So please be respectful. Be respectful to mistakes. Give me some space. Give me some space to be wrong. If you cannot support person at the beginning, you're not fucking needed to the person when he's on top. Once again, guys, I will remember every fucking person. I will pay to the guy who will gonna go through every fucking video on the Instagram and he will tell me, Mr. Patel from India, Mr. Dima from Ukraine, Mr. Hans from Germany. I'm that type of person. The same, like here, if there's gonna be someone who can add this, add the fucking Kanye West when he's telling in the Grammy, if I lose, blah, 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 we will never know. I'm not gonna lose my money. I'm not gonna be liquidated. I'm gonna fight for this. I'm gonna fucking bite for this. I'm gonna try my best. And if I'm gonna lose it, if I'm gonna be at the bottom, I'm just gonna sit there for 5 minutes. I don't like it. I was there. Now I'm here. It smells like shit. Oh, who the fuck is that? Oh, my ex-girlfriend. Hey, how are you? So I'm not gonna be there too long. I'm just gonna stand up, clear myself, and go up again. If you are not that type of person, if you are not the fighter, if you are not the winner, fuck off. Don't try to stop people from wearing the Nike. Just do it. Unsubscribe or go back to whatever you did in your life. If you want to paint the pictures, paint the pictures. If you want to fuck on the Pornhub, fuck on the Pornhub. But once again, don't bother me. Because this is the type of my story. This is the type of my picture, movie. This is the thing that I'm creating. And in my opinion, I'm glad that you're watching this until this time, date, minute. I'm glad that you're supporting me. I'm telling you thank you. I'm telling you that if you are bothered with my type of the content, go and watch fucking Kardashians. I'm okay with that. But I want to have people who's not fans of mine, who's just chilling right now. Someone sucking your dick right now, or you fucking someone, or you drive in the car and you listening to this crazy guy. I want you to have a smile on your face. I want you to have the money on your fucking bank account, cryptocurrency account, on your fucking pension account. I want you to understand that this life, in your life, no one owes you nothing. Not your parents, not your kids, nobody, especially your boss, especially the government. Everyone will fuck you on every corner. I'm tired, to be honest. I'm tired of explaining everything. I'm tired of this fucking 3-hour live streams. That's why I'm gonna start to do less for you, more for myself. And the worst case scenario is the thing that's happened to Ukrainians. Right now, someone like, what did he say? That he's talking too fast. The worst case scenario, that I'm gonna stop doing this. I'm gonna go to Konnichiwa! Today we're gonna talk about the Bitcoin! Why not? I will just ask someone to translate it in Spanish or whatever other language. I love what I'm doing. And thanks to everyone who's supporting me. Sorry if something wrong, but I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry because it's like I didn't broke your vase. I didn't did something with your dog. I didn't go with your daughter to the date and put the kid in her belly and say it like, good luck. No, I'm not the fucking terrible person. I'm not putting the planes to the buildings. I'm not bombing something. I'm not stealing. I'm not trying to sell you some fucking drugs or whatever. No, I'm just trying to be honest with you. This is my way. This is how I'm making money. If you don't like it, show me how you do money. There's like 3-4 persons in my life. I'm fucking glad to talk to them because they showing to me how they making like hundreds of millions of dollars. I know how to make 1 million. I want to know how to make hundreds of millions. They showing to me this. I'm talking to them. Like most of the time, I'm glad to have a call with them. I'm glad to have a like conversation with them because they have their own experience. They know something that I don't know. If you are the person who has everything in the world, you're the fucking Abramovich or like whatever, like the top 10 of the Forbes, what the fuck you doing here? Explain me. If you have $1 million on your bank account, that's fine. But if it's enough for you, then I have a questions to you. Oh, I want to see what he's talking about because I'm the millionaire. I have $1 million in my bank account. I don't need any more. Like if you are that type of person who are happy with the thing that you have, then what the fuck are you doing here? You want to tell me that I'm stupid? You want to tell me that I'm ugly? You want to tell me that I made a mistake? How is it gonna change my life? I'm just gonna prove to the people that, oh yeah, I made a mistake. I was divorced. I was choosing the wrong university. I was doing a lot of mistakes in my life. What else? I'm still living like better than the 0.1% of the world. And I'm happier than them. But I'm unhappy when people trying to make me unhappy. So please guys, either we're fighting together or just go your separate way. I'm going forward. You can stay here, you can go down, you can go left, right, whatever. But please, there is the guy like who's been telling to me like a couple days ago, we discussed him, like he sent it to me. I've been doing pretty good money with you for the 4 months, but in January I lost everything. Then he pressing the Control Shift or Command Shift, changing the keyboard language on the Netherlands or I don't give a fuck what kind of language that. And he trying to tell me something. So basically you confirming that for the last 6 months, it's the fucking half of the year, only 20% of this time I was wrong. But if you're gonna be smart enough to understand that from 18th of January, I will show you this. Go back to the live stream. Mr. Andrew, show it to the people. This is gonna be the last thing that I'm gonna show you and I'm gonna go and eat the fucking breakfast that my girlfriend gave to me. So if you're gonna go to the 18th of January, to the live stream or not to the live stream. I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna feel it. Take a look at this. 3:09 p.m. I don't like our how chart, guys. Sometimes I'm sending to the city like, please, can you do this? I'm driving. I'm like swimming. I'm crying. You know the spelling. The spelling feature in the iPhone. So if there is some mistake, that's because my mouse doesn't work pretty good. Like you see, like I'm sometimes telling the number 4 like force, like the force within the Star Wars. I'm doing mistakes. I'm not the best in English. Yeah, sorry for this. Зато я, блядь, їбать, как охуєнно могу на русском розмовляти. Або можу спілкуватися з Солов'їною навіть на різних акцентах. I've been trying to say that I'm pretty good in Russian and I'm pretty good even in accents from different regions of Ukraine. So I can talk different languages. But then you're gonna be, oh, what did this guy said? Oh my God, could somebody translate? So I'm trying to say to people, I don't like our chart looks. We have 4-hour and daily divergence on some assets. So what I'm gonna do right now, take a look at this. We're gonna do this. We're gonna, I said everything. We're gonna go to 18 of $17, 1 hour time frame. And we need to go to the 3 p.m. 18. 3 p.m. 18. Here. Yeah? 3 p.m. Almost 3 p.m. Yeah? 6. Pew, 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 pew. 1, 12, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 p.m. So 18, 3 p.m. In the morning on the 18, when I start the same live stream like this one, I'm telling to the people that I'm in profit, and I'm not going to be surprised if tomorrow I'm not going to be in profit, I'm going to be in the huge losses, if I'm going to be in the huge losses. So basically, I predicted the thing that's happening with me right now. But also, I'm trying to tell people, 900 people watch this, I don't like the chart. We have 4 and daily time frame divergence. Take a look at this at the 4-hour time frame. We have the 4-hour divergence. Guys, this candle is already starting the move, yeah? The daily time frame divergence. This is the divergence. That's when the, where is that? Oh, I remember. Sorry for this. Bearish divergence on the different time frame. I don't like it. Daily divergence on some assets. Yeah, it's the Ethereum and Solana. Sorry for this. Let's get back to the Ethereum. Here it is, the divergence. Here it is, the 4-hour time frame divergence. Where is that? Where is that? 18, okay. Show me the next one. Show me the next one. Please show me. Here. Solana. Divergence. Oh, it's 19. Okay, sorry, it's 19, but the daily probably will work better. Okay, I know what to do. I know what to do. Fucking retarded. What are you doing, Mr. Andrew? Let me read this message. I don't like our chart. There should be how. Our chart looks. We have 4-hour and the daily divergence on some assets. Bearish divergence. I don't like it. I'm not doing anything, just letting you know that we could make impulse down in the next 2 hours. So basically, I'm telling this, and since 18, I'm showing to the people only about the movement down, down, down. So I'm trying to fight with the things that I did to myself on this. Where is that? Why I'm looking December? Why nobody told me? Sorry for this, guys. Sorry for this. Here is the January. Where is the January? January 18. Here. Oh my God, guys. I was so fucking stupid. Andrew is a stupid... sorry. Andrew, sorry. So here it is. Now it's clear. So where is the 18? The 16, 17... Show me 17, motherfucker. 18. 18. The divergence. The divergence. The divergence. I'm not stupid. I remember this date. I was walking on the street, 3 p.m. So if I'm gonna go on the 4-hour time frame, take a look at this. 4-hour doesn't have divergence. 4-hour Ethereum has divergence, and the Bitcoin doesn't have divergence. Yeah? The USDT chart doesn't have divergence. Okay, let's stick to the 3 p.m. 309. Take a look at this. 3:09 p.m. Los Angeles time zone. 2, 3. Yeah, 3. Let's take a look at 3:09. 3, 3.5, 3.10. Make impulse down in the next 2 hours. I didn't fix anything. Here, you see that there is zero editing. I was thinking that that was manipulation. I was wrong. How many times should I say it more and more? I'm trying to tell people, and since 18, I give enormous amount of the short positions. There is no signals. There is no copy trading. There is nothing. There is just the thing that you see right now on the screen, and the same live streams, but daily basis. And if tomorrow I don't want to do live stream, I'm not gonna do live stream. If tomorrow I will sell to people, yeah, right now the live streams will be paid. The live streams will be paid. Sorry for that. Sorry. I know that sometimes I'm like a rock in the shoes. I know that. But come on. Show me someone who's doing such an incredible job for people and who's still stuck with that type of views. Oh, if you're gonna do shorter movie or shorter videos, people will love you. Yeah? You want me to do everything for you, so maybe you're just gonna leave me your wallet and I'm gonna send you money. I need to send right now $500 for the videos, but I will probably do this later. Or I'm not gonna do this. I will do this, definitely gonna do this, but I don't have time for this right now. I will probably do this in the meaning of the next daily videos, because there is not gonna be the live stream on the next week. There is not gonna be live stream on the next week, because I wanna go in the trip with my girlfriend on the 13th of February, and I wanna destroy her body with my body, and I wanna fucking eat everything that I want to eat, and I wanna fucking drink champagne. I wanna like... You know why? Because there is nothing that I owe to you. And if you cannot support with likes, it means that you didn't deserve this content. I'm trying to change myself. I'm trying to be better. Thank you very much. Love, peace, profit to everyone. Hold your wallets. Be prepared. If you forget about everything that I said to you in the last 2 hours, rewatch this video. Yes, there's gonna be the time codes when my assistant will have time to send them to me. Yes, the app is almost ready. There is no way to get this app right now. There is absolutely incredible. I will show you. Update with the bot. Mr. Andrew, where is the bot? Here is the bot, Mr. Andrew. Thank you very much, Mr. Andrew. So there is the bot. We updated. Take a look at this. It's way more easier for you. You can switch the time frame. You can switch the asset. You can do this. And also, the best thing, you can get the AI forecast. You can get the AI forecast, which will show you like, oh, it's hard to understand. And also, there is the asset that you can change. We're giving you more and more. I need to talk to the developer of the bot. There should be 4 assets. Why there is 8 assets? That's not what there should be. If you're watching this, that's not what should be here, because people will use this system more and more. Either increase, like if you want more than 4, double the price. If you're giving people chance to change their asset, like use whatever asset you want, search, like do whatever you want, then it means that we need to give them like, they need to pay more. They need to pay more. There is no other way that they not gonna do this. I'm not playing the games. I'm not trying to be like, oh my God, please love me. No. In my opinion, it's pretty good. Pretty good. But it could be better.